This 2003 Porsche 911 Carrera is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 2003 Porsche 911 Turbo 6-speed manual transmission, 3.6L 6-cylinder twin-turbocharged engine, 415 horsepower, 415 pound-feet of torque, Pioneer head unit, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, power windows, power door locks, gray metallic exterior, gray leather interior. Vehicle includes Porsche floor mats. Owner's manual. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2003 Porsche 911 Turbo is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.